Good day everyone, I'm John Esquel Flores from BSIE 2A and this is for our final project manuscript on public speaking subject. So the topic that I choose is cancel culture. So imagine yourself waking up one day that a lot of strangers talking about you, talking about your life, and they are not giving you voice to speak. This is the reality of cancel culture, fast, unforgiving, and terrifying. So what is cancel culture? Cancel culture mostly happen a lot of times right now, especially in social media. A lot of people will judge you when you done something bad. Then a lot of people will say about your whole life. And cancel culture spread so quickly right now, especially in social media. When some people see something wrong to you, then a lot of people will say about that. So they love to, a lot of people love to gossip, like to say something bad on other people, but they are not looking onto themselves if they are saying something good, or if they are in the right place to say something. But honestly, in my opinion, we don't have a right to judge someone. We don't have the right to say something about other people because we are not on their shoes that happening to them. We are not on their situation, so we must miss something information. And lastly, it has a good and bad part. The good side is it can help to gain, it can help to get justice, especially in social media. You can get help from other people in social media, but it can also have a bad effect. When social media, it can destroy life, like a lot of issues in social media. Then you will be judged by your mistake. Then if you don't have a strong emotion, you might experience depression or sometimes suicide. So so let us not let us call out the wrong, but not erase the person. Let us correct, not crush. But because in the end, understanding is stronger than cancellation. That's all for today. I hope we learned something new. Cancel culture. Thank you.